locate the icon of NasoBalance, take the mouse cursor to the and double click. This will start the software. Then you can create a new patient using add new patient to database. It will open up another dialog box. Enter all the details like the name of the patient and ID, age, weight, height and gender. Then you can add all other details like the company address and place and all those things if required. Or you can go to OK and click it. It will start another dialog box called as open for test. Here you can select whether it is a pre or post decongestion test, and you can add weight and height here again, and then you can say start, say OK. So this is what you get after starting the test here, and here is the button for starting the test, here for cancelling it. So now we'll see actually how the test is conducted. We can have a look at unit. This unit is here, and it is connected to this patient prompt panel. This has got an inhale and exhale cycle. You can see the test on LED is on now, and on the unit there is a connection which goes to pressure and another one goes to the flow. Now first it will start, as you say, the flow from the right nostril and pressure from left nostril. So we'll put the pressure probe into the left nostril. First you just press it and then put it inside. Hold it for a few seconds and then release it. Okay, so now you can put the mask, face mask. It is a full face mask and the flow sensor is attached to it directly. So once this is over, okay, you can say start test. You can click on start test. Okay, now once you can see here, the patient is breathing and the plot of flow versus pressure has started, and simultaneously the patient is being prompted to exhale and inhale. And looking at this cycle, this is also prompted on the screen. So it is a 4-second cycle, 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds exhale, and here you can see that the graph of inhale exhale is also getting plotted. So the green line is pressure and the red line is flow, and they are moving in tandem. So now everything is fine. Now there is a proper rhythm also, and it is based on this cycle. So patient is being prompted to do the maneuver properly. Once this is achieved, this rhythm, then you can click on the record button. Now the recording has started, and this will go on for 1 minute. 1 minute for the right nostril flow. You can see that both the graphs are simultaneously going on. The upper part, upper square shows flow versus pressure, and the lower rectangle shows the actual waveforms. Now 1 minute is almost over. You can see this 1 minute is over, and it is showing that now you have to go for the left nostril flow. And just say start and then pull the plug so that proper flow is detected. Yeah. So again, we have to wait for the right rhythm, like inhale and exhale. The cycle, the patient should follow the cycle on the patient prompt panel. He's exhaling now, and then he's inhaling. Okay, so the same pattern should be followed here properly. We should wait till the patient achieves it. So once he achieves the rhythm of inhale and exhale according to the indication on the patient prompt panel, so then once he achieves it, then we can start recording. Till that time you should wait. So now this recording has started, and you can see that on the left side flow is being recorded. So this will go on for another 1 minute. You can see that there is a progress bar below this particular strip of graphs, just above the buttons, which is also showing the amount of data being collected. Now it is almost complete. Once it reaches the right hand corner, it will automatically stop. That means the test will be over. So the acquisition is almost complete now. Now it is over and it shows that test completed successfully. Now click on OK. All the graphs are plotted and you can see the screen which gives you the results. This is a review kind of screen wherein you can see that there is a right flow and anterior pressure graphs for each cycle and a pressure and flow for each cycle. For left flow and anterior pressure and flow for each cycle. Then this is your standard flow versus pressure butterfly chart, and here all the results are also depicted in graphical format. There is a bronze circle, and there are also vertical lines for 150 Pascal pressures, and here are the legends. This is a quality control which can give you the quality of the test being conducted, and both the right side and left side qualities are okay. On the both sides the test is conducted properly. Then this is the complete result table along with interpretation. Here you can see that effective resistances as well as logarithmic effective resistances are given for each cycle and their normal values and average of all the 5 cycles and the interpretation. For this particular patient, this is everything is very low resistance, so it's a very normal nose on both sides, okay, on left side as well as right side. And this is the final result. Resistance on the right side is 0.34 pascals per cubic centimeter per second. Left side it is 0.24 rather, and total resistance is 0.14 pascal per cubic centimeter per second. So this is the final result screen, you can say. Now this same thing can be printed also on a print. If you give a printout, this printing now we are showing it a PDF converter, but it can be printed directly to the printer also. We can give it to PDF myself and then see how the printing takes place. So it is asking for the name of the file to be saved. So say that some ABC name printout. If you can look, now this is a complete printout which you can get on a printer also. It is a soft copy of the printout. It is the same depiction of the review screen, the same one. So once you say OK, data file will be saved. Everything is saved now. Now the same patient test can be reviewed also, because this test is saved in the database of the PC. Now since the patient is an old patient, you can go to the old patient and check whether the test is there. Now the patient name is ABC123. Select open for review. The test is there. It is a pre-decongestion test. You can say show, and here again all the details are there. You can print from here also. So the test is saved on the in the PC, and you can click on OK. And this is how the test is done on NasoBalance P. And then you can close if you want, can exit it.